everyone, and welcome again to the Arts Care for You channel. My name is Andrea Spencer and I'm one of the artists in residence for Arts Care. I'm afraid there's no sign of Mac, the studio cat, today. She's out there enjoying the sunshine instead. I have another visual arts workshop for you today, thinking of you and drawing together. It's about 12 minutes long and it's something you can just watch or you can join in along with if you like. I wanted to kick off this visual arts workshop today with a big thank you again to the NHS staff who are working under such difficult conditions at the moment. I saw on the Belfast Health and Social Care Trust Facebook page last week a couple of familiar faces within the respiratory occupational therapy teams for the Nightingale in Belfast City Hospital. And I wanted to give a shout out to Ellie Gowan and Lisa Hamill, staff that I worked with who became my friends during my time as artist in residence at Belfast City Hospital. It was great to see their smiling faces and to see that they were safe and to hear that they were being supported with their Tesco's essentials and few treats from the Robin Hood Project COVID-19 response. Yesterday, I heard on the radio that the National Health ward staff in England are helping relatives by delivering personal messages to the bedside of COVID patients. The ward staff had taken this one step further by printing their personal messages onto drawings made by local school children. I think they were calling it the Thinking of You project, and I thought this was a lovely, simple idea that is a really meaningful way of communicating with the loved ones that we are distanced from at the moment. So in this video, I'm going to show you a sequence of simple steps that you can follow to create a variety of characters and personalities that you could maybe use to create your own Thinking of You messages or illustrate your stories to share with others. So if you want to draw along with me, grab a pen and some marker pens and some paper and we'll get going. Okay, so here's how we'll start. I'll show you the first cartoon. This is a character called Elaine. You just watch and I'll go through all the steps and then we can do it again together. Okay, here we go. So we start with the nose. And then the eyes. Like little sixes, 66, or speech marks. Then mouth, nice big smile. And then we'll do the hair. Pen to the left of the mouth, line down. Pen to the right under the ear, line down. Then to the left of the neck, shirt. And then line to the left, line to the right. So that's our first character, and that's Elaine. She maybe needs another little bit of hair in here, and we'll give her a little bit round there just to give her a bit more character. Okay, let's try together. So, start with the nose, and then the eyes like sixes, speech marks, and then the mouth, nice big smile. And then we do the hair. And then pen to the left of the mouth, line down. To the right of the mouth, it's the neck. To the left of the neck, this makes the top. And the line from the left, and the line from the right. There's Elaine. Oh. Missed the hair again. So from that small sequence of steps, just working through, starting with the nose, the eyes, the mouth, the hair, and the chin, you can create hundreds of variations on that just by making a few small changes. So let's try one more with a few variations. Okay, so this time, start with the nose. This time, squares for the eyes. Join them together, dots inside, and we have somebody with glasses. This time for the smile, for the mouth, a V shape. Fill in the bottom. And then we have, to the left of the nose, an ear, and a line comes down from the glasses to the ear. Then we have the hair, this time different style. Ponytail. To the left of the mouth, a line down, pen under the ear, drop a line. To the left of the neck, top of the shirt, line to the left, line to the right, bit of detail. Nurse's badge. This is Leslie and this is Elaine. They're both nurses in the Nightingale, Belfast City Hospital. Okay, let's give them a bit of colour. Nose, L shape, ovals, wide apart, little dots for the eyes, join them together, just down to the right below is an ear, make that into glasses, maybe make the frames a little bit stronger. Okay, this time something different. Below the nose. Moustache. Head. A little bit of hair. To the left of the mouth, the chin. To the right of the ear, and to the left, and to the right. He looks a bit like a bob, I think. Let's try this one, maybe somebody you recognise. Any ideas? So let's review the 8 steps that we follow each time in sequence to create each character. I used this drawing technique to create a fabulous project with a group that I work with at the Mount Fern Centre in Coleraine. First we created the characters, drawing them step by step as I have with you here today. Then we created a story around the personality of the characters. Together we made framed portrait paintings of the characters we'd created along with three-dimensional props that illustrated aspects of the story. We made a huge body of work that was exhibited in the Braid Art Centre in Ballymena. These are the photocopies of some of the drawings that they did and the characters. We have Miss Potter, an avid pool player and dedicated Liverpool fan, and Lisa McHugh, a country and western singer, Curly Sue, who loved to go on holidays and do the crossword, and Kylie, who was a cafe owner. So really now the rest is up to you and your imagination. Why don't you have a go and practice the steps to see what characters you can bring to life? We would love it if you would send us your drawings to put on our Facebook page, and please leave a comment under this video telling us if you enjoyed the video and if you would like to see more. The next stage in this project would be to try setting the characters that you come up with to some kind of scene to convey a message. Have a think about that and come back to me next week. In the meantime, I'll leave you with this.